Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today, as you see before you, these are marbles. And yes, I've lost my marbles. Now I found my marbles. And what we're gonna do with these marbles is very interesting. We're going to resin these marbles into this little frame here. This is a 9x9, well, just about a 9x9 frame. And yeah, and then we'll be able to use this as a nice trivet, and we won't have to worry about the resin, because we're not going to resin it all the way to the top of the marbles. We're just gonna put a thin layer of resin on the bottom. Yeah, and I got these marbles from Amazon. There's 160 marbles here. Well, actually, there's probably 157 in this one. And what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna paint this to seal it off. And I was thinking I'm gonna do a nice little gold background, and then I'm gonna do black along here. So, yeah, let's get some nice gold paint in there. And okay, I'm back, and I already have my resin mixed. I figured I would cut off a little time from that, and I looked it up on the art resin calculator online. And you just go to artresin.com. I'll put the information down below. And these are just a tad below 9 inches, and it says to use 2 ounces of resin, and that would be 1 ounce each, 1 ounce of hardener and 1 ounce of resin. I did a little bit over because I have my little pyramid over here, and I would like to fill that up. And I thought today I would put make a color or two. I just thought that would be cute to include in and one of them is going to be this little piggy, and that's glisten, because it'll look beautiful in the background here. And so I'm just going to move this resin over, and what I'm going to do is mix a little of that in. And you really don't need too much when you're mixing in the resin of your pigments. And this little piggy happens to, I'm sorry, I don't know what happened there. My phone went off. It should not have gone off because I have do not disturb on, so I'm a little confused about that. But yeah, so I don't know how much you lost of that, but it seems that yeah, so I'm adding a little bit of that glisten, this little piggy, and I'm going to put that right in there. And I'm going to mix that up. from, what is it? Okay, I ordered from, okay, it's the Solar Dust Company. I ordered some color shifts. And they sent me this, which is Dwarf's Mine. And it's kind of like a glitter, a very fine glitter. And I'm gonna add a little of that also. Now I'm gonna lay down the rest of this in my frame here. And then I'm going to start moving my marbles over. So don't lose your marbles. I got this in all the corners. Oh, sorry. Okay, I do hope that this is enough. And I'm wondering if I should spread this around now. Oh, I did want to save some for my, okay, I guess that's not going to happen today. All right, well. Look at that. That is beautiful. Yeah, and I think I am definitely going to pour the rest of that into my pyramid. Okay, I think that's more than enough. Okay. Now let's start moving over these marbles. And take my first set of gloves off. I actually don't think I need gloves to... Oh, did I only put one glove on in this hand? Huh. Alright. Well, I don't think I need gloves to move the marbles over, because I'm not going to be touching any resin here. So... That looks beautiful to me. I think we did a good job. We'll come back later on and we'll see how this all worked out. I think this is going to be beautiful. Okay. Wish us luck on this. Okay, this is Donna from Hollywood, signing off. Later on, we'll come back and we will get a close-up. Bye-bye now. Have a great night. See you later.